Burnham McTeer, Preacher Man R&B, and this is another episode of Richard Land Comics. This time I'm doing another episode of Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtle reviews. This time I'm reviewing Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles Season 3, Episode 42. What happens on this week's episode is Shredder and Krang send this imp from another dimension to mess with the Turtles because they're trying to get a certain thing from that dimension to be able to power the Technodrome. It's this whole thing. So this imp is messing with the Turtles and messing up everything, and they wind up capturing it. And then the imp winds up turning New York into this big old fruit salad. So the Turtles have to calm him down. They befriend him, find out he's a pretty good dude, and they help him get back to his own dimension. And other than that, that's all that really happened. My question for y'all is, now that the Turtles has helped this imp, what's going to happen with that? As always, Ron Burnham, McTeer, Preacher Man R&B, signing out. Guys, GG is awesome. This has been an episode of Richard Land Comics. See y'all next time.